Hi, my name's Robert Johnston, or better known as Catio Bob. I'm from the Atlanta, Georgia area, and in all the surrounding areas there, I kind of gravitate from there. Well, it was due to tooth loss. I got to a point to where I lost so many teeth that I couldn't chew it or I couldn't eat my food properly anymore. I was struggling to do that, so I thought, well, I've got to do something. And the rate my teeth were failing, that I thought that maybe I just ought to look into doing implants. Oh man, the team here have been just absolutely awesome, man. For everything you do, everybody's so pleasant, nice. They just go out of their way to help you and make you feel comfortable. And I don't know what else to say about these guys, but they're just like superheroes in my book, man. Well, right now, I got my finest. I'm fixing to go home. And so, I'm feeling really good right now and happy with the process. I tell you, if you have teeth loss like I do, don't hesitate, man. Get on it now, because, it's only going to get more and more worse as time goes on if you just ignore it. So I would say jump on it. Oh, man, you guys are the best, man. I tell you what, man, I couldn't ask for any better. You guys are on top. You're professional. You're very courteous. I couldn't ask for better, man. When I walked in the door, you guys treated me like rock star. These guys are great from the moment I came in here. And they gave me back my confidence. Before I came down here, I was losing all my teeth, and I was really, really conscientious of my look, and I didn't like to get out in front of people and talk. Well, they gave me my confidence back, because just last week I was up in Colorado Springs. I'm standing up in front of 500 people, smiling and giving a speech on Catio, and I'm just enjoying myself, and I'm not shy anymore. I could smile at people now, and I don't feel so restrained to approaching people now, because now I have a full set of teeth that I can smile, and I don't look like I've got a whole bunch of teeth missing. And it's just changed my life dramatically. I've gone from very withdrawn and not very social at all to just exploding now. I'm just going out and talking to anybody and everybody. I'm smiling. I'm carrying on conversations with people and not afraid to smile and, use words that show my teeth. Before I was thinking about words where I wouldn't have to smile or show my teeth. So this is great booster, great confidence, and I just can't thank these guys enough.